Hello and welcome to this comprehensive guide on the top high-income skills that can make you rich. In today's world, having a high income is one of the key factors for financial stability and success. In this video, we will discuss some of the top high-income skills that can help you achieve your financial goals. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a skill that involves the promotion of products or services through digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and websites. With the increasing popularity of digital marketing, it has become a high-income skill. A digital marketer can earn a lot of money by helping businesses reach their target audience through various digital channels. The digital marketing industry is constantly evolving, and new techniques are being introduced every day. As a result, digital marketers need to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Some of the key skills required for digital marketing include search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. Digital marketers can earn a high income by working for companies or as freelancers. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a digital marketing manager is $77,015 per year in the United States. However, digital marketers with specialized skills and experience can earn much more than that. Software development. Software development is a high-income skill that involves designing, creating, and maintaining software applications. With the growing demand for software in various industries, software developers are in high demand. They can earn a high income by developing software applications for businesses, startups, and other organizations. Software development requires a strong background in computer science and programming languages. Some of the most popular programming languages used in software development include Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript. In addition to programming languages, software developers also need to have experience with various software development tools and frameworks. Software developers can earn a high income by working for companies or as freelancers. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a software developer is $87,900 per year in the United States. However, software developers with specialized skills and experience can earn much more than that. Sales. Sales is a high-income skill that involves selling products or services to customers. A skilled salesperson can earn a lot of money by selling products or services in various industries such as real estate, finance, technology, and more. With good communication and negotiation skills, a salesperson can close big deals and earn a high commission. Sales require excellent communication skills and the ability to build strong relationships with customers. Successful salespeople also need to have a good understanding of the products or services they are selling and be able to articulate their value to potential customers. Salespeople can earn a high income by working for companies or as independent contractors. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a sales representative is $52,000 per year in the United States. However, salespeople with specialized skills and experience can earn much more than that. Investing. Investing is a high-income skill that involves putting money into stocks, real estate, or other assets to generate a return on investment. With the right investment strategy and knowledge, an investor can earn a lot of money through capital gains, dividends, or interest. Investing requires research and analysis, but it can be a lucrative high-income skill. Investing requires a good understanding of the financial markets and the ability to analyze market trends and data. Successful investors also need to have a strong grasp of risk management and asset allocation. Investors can earn a high income by investing in the stock market, real estate, or other assets. According to Investopedia, the average return for the stock market is around 10% per year. However, investors with specialized skills and experience can earn much more than that by making smart investment decisions and taking calculated risks. Copywriting. Copywriting is a high-income skill that involves writing content that persuades readers to take a specific action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service. Copywriters can earn a high income by creating effective marketing materials such as advertisements, website copy, email newsletters, and more. Copywriting requires strong writing skills, creativity, and the ability to understand and appeal to a target audience. Successful copywriters also need to have a good understanding of marketing and advertising principles. Copywriters can earn a high income by working for companies or as freelancers. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a copywriter is $60,296 per year in the United States. However, copywriters with specialized skills and experience can earn much more than that. Graphic design. Graphic design is a high-income skill that involves creating visual content for various mediums, including websites, advertisements, logos, and more. With the growing demand for visual content in the digital age, graphic designers are in high demand. They can earn a high income by creating high-quality designs for businesses, startups, and other organizations. Graphic design requires a good understanding of design principles, creativity, and proficiency in design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Successful graphic designers also need to have a strong portfolio of work to showcase their skills to potential clients. Graphic designers can earn a high income by working for companies or as freelancers. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a graphic designer is $52,110 per year in the United States. However, graphic designers with specialized skills and experience can earn much more than that. Public speaking. Public speaking is a high-income skill that involves delivering speeches or presentations to an audience. A skilled public speaker can earn a lot of money by delivering keynote speeches, hosting events, and more. Public speaking requires good communication skills, confidence, and the ability to engage and persuade an audience. Successful public speakers also need to have a good understanding of the topic they are speaking on and be able to convey their message effectively. They should also be able to handle unexpected situations and interact with their audience. Public speakers can earn a high income by working as motivational speakers, trainers, or event hosts. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a motivational speaker is $107,173 per year in the United States. However, public speakers with specialized skills and experience can earn much more than that. In conclusion, these are some of the top high-income skills that can make you rich. There are plenty of opportunities to earn a high income in these fields. However, it's important to remember that becoming successful in any of these fields requires hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. It's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies and to always strive to improve your skills. So, if you're looking for a high-income skill that can help you achieve your financial goals, consider one of the skills we've discussed in this video. With the right mindset and approach, you can achieve success and financial stability in any of these fields. Thank you for watching.